What's up, everyone? Thank you guys for the fill. This is Topps Chrome half case blaster. Pick your team number 5. This is a freshie. This is a freshie. I'm jealous. I might try and maybe go to WWE World tomorrow morning. I'm just scared because freaking, if we go to WWE World tomorrow, like, I think WrestleMania starts at 2:30. So doors open at, I'm assuming 12:30, 1 o'clock. I love going to events super early. Like right when the doors open, I have to be in the event. Or else I get really upset if I'm not there. I'm one of those people that's like, yeah. If I'm paying for the event, like I want to be there. Obviously, I think I could do WWE World, but gosh, if I go to WWE World at like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, and then I freaking, you know what I mean? Like after you're done with that, maybe eat some lunch and then go to Mania. The only thing I'm concerned about doing that is just I'm going to be freaking wiped out. No, he's here in Vegas breaking her up for WrestleMania. What's the plan? When are we going to link up, Kanzler? What's the plan? Are you going to WWE World tomorrow? Because I might just buy general admission tickets. The only thing I want to do is jump off the top rope and get a trading card of myself. That's all I want to do. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, yeah, actually, no, I did know that. Yeah, you guys have a Treasure Island, a Hard Rock. There's Hard Rock, Tampa, Treasure Island, and then there's one other big one. Seminole, I think. Yeah, yeah, I should do that. Yeah, so they have an area walker. I don't know if you guys know. They have like a little area. I sent it to Mrs. Ham on my DMs. They have an area where you can just climb up the turnbuckle and you can just kind of like, you do a little jump into the little mat. I would do it. And then they do like they do a sports card of you. So like I would drop the Shawn Michaels elbow for sure. Thank you guys for the squeeze on this one, guys. I appreciate it. I want to try and squeeze off the half case hangers after this, so I'm going to make a good focus on that probably for a good hour, guys. Interesting. Try and practice opening with my left hand. I bet you it would open up a lot nicer. Oh yeah, I probably would. I'm kind of curious how this works. Let's do it, Breaking Raw. I can do it. I believe in myself. Fresh case. Can I do it? Let's try practice opening left-handed. Wonder if I could, wonder if I can sustain doing it this way. Oh, kind of hard. Does open nicer though, for sure. I just do the right-hander thing. Nope, that doesn't work. That's hard. I'm opening different. It's too hard. Too hard. Don't like that. Yeah, I remember. I remember. Fresh case. This time we do it from a blaster. This time we do a, let's do like a true red or something, you know? Or a nice lava would be sick. Okay, so if I can do that way, I should be able to do this way, right? Because what do? I do it this way. I do it this way. Oh, maybe I can open left-handed. Oh. No, maybe not. Come on, there you go. I gotta get the right angle on the left-handed tears. Huh. I might try and practice doing the left-handed tears. But it's weird because I don't hold the packs the same. No. Oh, I don't want to ruin your corners. No. Opens so nice that way too. I should train doing this. I should train left-handed. See, when I open like this, I'm here. Guys, after this, take your guys half case hangers. Half case hanger bangers. Half case hanger bangers. Let's do it. Last couple boxes, guys. Sorry. Too busy playing around with the left hand. Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, first half of the case. I mean, we could push the second half too. Either way, guys, I'm fine with it. Good luck, everyone. Thank you guys again for the fill. Here we go. Give us another banger stack, please. Garrett Wilson for the Jets. Jahmyr Gibbs on a second year on the leather. Chargers rookie Trey Harris on the refractor. And there's Joey B. Jakey B is what I meant to say. Tutton for the Jags. Nice pulsar of Drake May for the Patriots. We have a magenta. Looks purple. Chargers again with hand to 250. Oh, Bagnet's in the product. Okay, I see some color here. There's a dart. See some color coming here. It's a green lava for the Eagles color match. Is that an auto? That's absolutely disgusting. Anderson, this can make your Instagram post. Hold on. I got you, Anderson. I got you, Anderson. Oh, sure. Right. How about an AJ Brown color match green lava to 99? That's a banger auto. That's sick. So we hit Amon Ra and we hit a lot of receivers, it seems like. Hutch. Mason Graham on the refractor. Told you I like this. Told you guys I like this case. Curtis Roke. Hurts on a pulsar. And Woody Marks on the red, white, and blue. That's pretty sick. I mean, honestly, not bad at all, you know. Amon Ra on the blue color match. Now we got the green lava color match of AJ Brown. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. AJ Brown. It's pretty sick. You know what? And I'm also very happy because we didn't know. I didn't know for 100% fact if he was going to be in the product, you know, in the retail products because of the way, again, the way the Topps odd sheet works. Like we didn't know for a fact because there's no set under checklist that says you know base variations. You know, we didn't know that there was base variation cards. You know. All right, guys. I mean, you know what really sucks? The half casers have been hitting the crazy stuff. The half casers have been really hot. The last couple of blasters, honestly, have been bangers. And I'm not just saying that to overhype the blasters, because you guys know I'm a hanger box kind of guy. But wow, that's actually pretty insane. All right, let's go. Let's keep it up. There we go. Stack 2. Let's go. That's awesome. Another AJ Brown on the leather. Dylan Gabriel on the refractor for the Browns. Anderson. Darnold. Tyler Shuck on the base. Oh, Anderson, I heard it's snowing up there. I'm freaking jealous. Or at least in the mountains. I didn't even get to go back to the bird. I wanted to go for surf season so badly. Penny. Howard Fannin on the refractor also for the Browns. Nice break for the Browns now. Malachi Starks, McKinney, Ladd. Ooh. Ooh. Royal. Orange lava on the Patriots. Does it have ink? It's not terrible. It's Hunter Henry, 7 of 25. Oh, this case might be a banger. We might have to run back number 6 after this. We might have to run number 6 after this, guys. Mullings. The Blasters turn it up. Hello, love. Love, do you want to go WWE World tomorrow morning? And we'll just do like an all day. I just feel bad for the dogs. We might have to ask somebody to go let the dogs out. It opens at 9. I'll go if you jump off the top rope. You have to jump off the top rope. Okay, you heard her. You heard her. She said yes. She said yes. Everybody's seen it. Screenshot it. She said yes. Oh, it's coming, Danny. It's coming, baby. Tyreek Woolen to 75 on the purple leather. Wow, the color in this has been really nice. There's one Cam Ward. Not the Cam Ward you wanted, though. Ewers. Ollie Gordon. And a Jackson dart. I know. I was going to say. I was like, oh, floor seats. Sounds kind of expensive. Colston Loveland. I was thinking the same thing, Axel. I was thinking the exact same thing. Shard Smith. Oh, I saw Titans right there. I thought that was gonna be him. Chajo, no skin. Shamir Stewart refractor. Omari and Hampton, red, white, and blue. My goodness. Where is your Cam Ward? Our last Mania for sure for a little while. Travis Etienne to 99 on the green leather. Wow, this half has... All right, there's your Cam Ward. That was supposed to be the green one. There you go. Jordan Love. RJ Harvey refractor. This half was really nice too. What is going on with these blasters all of a sudden, guys? I know, Axel, I haven't talked to you in so long. It's good to see you in the chat, man. How you been? Obviously, I know you've been more of a football guy as of lately. Or maybe you were always more of a football guy, maybe. Thinking back on it when you're buying into my Barry Sanders that you sold me and everything like that. Still in a PC because I don't flip shit, especially when I buy it from people. I can take pictures if you like. I can have Mrs. Hammer send me a picture right now. Because the Barry Sanders is on my desk, as a matter of fact. I had to clean out my storage, see what I was gonna send in for grading and stuff. Oh no, I believe that, brother. I know sometimes I pop in and I'm like, oh, Axel's. It's like Axel's over there. I see Axel. Yeah, usually it was more. I've always seen you more in basketball, but then I've always seen you buy your Lions. That's the one thing I always remembered about you. You'd buy your Pistons too, but I always vividly remember you buying more Lions for some reason. Oh, new job. Oh, that's awesome, dude. That's all. Honestly, that's how long it's been since we've talked. I mean, I was on the other apps for a couple of months, like that. I haven't been on the main channel since November, this is my longest tenure where I haven't been on the main channel. Morrison, come on, Danny. There's our boy, Ohio State's very own Emeka Egbuka. Another Jackson Dart refractor for Stain. Let's go, Skeet. Another one. Another one. Watch there be a red, white, and blue in the second half. Or maybe right here. Watch. Travis Hunter. There you go, Breaking Rob. Come on, Danny. Let's do it, Danny. Terrence Ferguson, refractor. Ollie Gordon, red, white, and blue. Laporta. Oh, everything's upside down. This must have been when I was ripping left hand. Guys, what is happening with this case? Now there's a blue. For the Ravens, Roquan Smith on the blue wave to 150. This case had some color. This case had some color. We had orange, purple, green, magenta, blue. How about red right here? How about red? Either that or we're going to have a stacked second half. Love for you out there. Oh, now yeah, come on, Danny. Don't give up on me yet, Danny. Can you look into WrestleCon as well, love? I want to go to WrestleCon. There's a few guys I wanna get pictures with or something. Mainly guys like Ted DiBiase, the Dudleys, all like that. They're at the Horseshoe. Travion. Ty Felton. Shador Saunders. Come on. Cooper Cup. Lions. Tyleek. Fannin on the red, white, and blue. D-Hop. Nice Genty refractor. Michael Williams on the red, white, and blue. It's called WrestleCon. It's at the Horseshoe. Wrestle, C-O-N. WrestleCon. Scary Terry to 250. Rico Lions. Dante Thornton for the Raiders refractor. I'm sorry, Danny. That wasn't the best one for the Titans. Take them maybe in the second half, Danny. Maybe in the second half we might have one. Might have that big auto or SP. No SPs, one auto only so far in this case. That was a really nice color case, though. I'm not even going to lie. That was really good color. After this, guys, I am going to add in the fresh case number 7. And then we're going to be off this weekend. But feel free to keep attacking because the more you attack, the more I'll add. You had one Cam Ward, but it was a base, Danny. We had one. If he comes out at number 6, I'm gonna be really upset because I told you normally I like the second half. Normally I like 6, but I said I felt 7. So I'd feel very bad if he comes out in the next one. All right, recap. Oh, some more Jackson darts. Nice refractor of Jackson dart. Guys like Ted DiBiase, the Dudley Boys. Rob Van Dam is gonna be there with his wife Katie Forbes. Orange of Hunter Henry. The coolest one of today, guys. The coolest hit from today. Green Lava of A.J. Brown color match to 99 for Anderson. I'm sorry, Danny. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'll beat the sort on the A.J. Brown on. I'll beat the sort on the Jackson darts. Since you already had one, Skeet. And that was the break, everybody. Thank you guys very much. That was half case. Topps Chrome Blaster. Pick your team number 5. Thank you guys very much.